So did you say you had a dream that you were reading?
Last night I was going through hers, but then I had a dream that told me I needed to pick up the Quran. I mean, that's why it kind of gives me the chills. So I walk by and I see it, and I was like, wow. So it's got to mean something.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Imam S.T. Ibrahim. I accepted Islam November 14th, 1971. Of all the English Qurans that I have read, this is the best one by far. We've given away a box. I look to get more. It is just so easy to understand. Keep printing. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
هو القرآن والفرقان إليه تنصت الأكوان وفيه تعطر الآذان والقرآن